First Amendment audits and cop watching are not scripted and are not rehearsed. Sometimes funny things just happen. For Public Safety is usually a very serious documentarian. But look what happens when he encounters the mayor's secretary who refuses to get up and come to the door. She prefers to communicate by walkie-talkie.
He is not available at the moment.
Yeah, it's concerning unlawful signage being put up on our buildings, but I mean, did you want to help me with that, or do you want the mayor to do his job?
I'm sorry, that did not come through clear.
I said it's about unlawful signage being put up on our buildings to restrict our rights. Did you want to talk to me about that, or does he? Yeah, no, it's a mayoral issue, but I can only hear you through the glass because you're not using a speaker.
Okay, it sounds like it would be legal issues.
Are you a lawyer?
The signage in the building that you're speaking of?
Are you a lawyer?
I am not.
Okay. When you get done, you go 10-4 over and out. So make sure you say out after you're done.
Okay.
You gotta say over. You have to say over.
Sorry, I'm not gonna do that. If you would like to leave your name and number, someone could possibly get back with you.
Yeah, I can't tell if you're done talking yet because you didn't say over. Over.
Copy.
Again, if you would like to leave your name and number, I will see if someone can get back with you.
Are you still talking over, or is the sentence over? Over?
Sir, I'm not going to play this game with you. If you'd like to leave your name and number, someone could possibly get back with you.
Is she still talking? Yeah, I don't know when you're finished talking because you're not saying over. Over?
Would you like to leave your name and number?
Yeah, I wouldn't know when to do that because you're not letting me know when you're ending your statements on this CB radio. Over?
It seems to be that you can hear me, so if you'd like to leave your name and number, that'd be fine.
I shouldn't have to leave my name and number to have a grievance with my mayor. Over?
Like I said, he is not available at the moment. That's why you would have to leave your name and number.
Is there anyone from council I could speak with? Over?
From where?
From our council? Over?
I don't know if there's anyone in the council chambers or not. That would be downstairs in the clerk's office.
Okay, I'll go check that out real quick. Over, and then I'll be back. Now it's over.
Okay, have a great day.
Your supervisor, what was his name?
Shannon Johnson.
Oh, was that I'm sorry, was that?
It's a male.
It's a male? Okay. Johnson? Okay, yeah, sure. If you want to go talk to him, go and talk to him. That's fine.
I'll be right
I'm
back.
just going to go do my footage and then I'm going to be out of your hair.
Okay,
So
I
maybe
can let
like,
you go.
I might be like another 5, maybe like 5 to 5 minutes if that.
But
So I wouldn't even
go
say,
in there.
yeah.
He gives me permission.
If he wants to give you permission, that's fine, but I have permission by the Texas State Law.
Yes, I understand that, but you cannot go in this office when we have people in here, client information.
Right, but
without-
I understand what you're saying about the client information and HIPAA and all that stuff, but I'm not responsible for that. Your employees are, which is why you play them. I'm not in there for that sole purpose though. My whole intention is to go in and grab some B-roll footage, my First Amendment right, and then I'm gonna be out of here. I have a limited time here. We're about to close here at 5. I need to go in.
Yeah,
and
we
get
got
my
another. We got
footage
2 more
and get out.
places. We got 2 more places.
How much?
We got 2 more places to go.
2 more places? Okay, cool. What time is it? What time is that, sir?
About 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock? Okay, I'm about to go get my footage and then I'm gonna
You
get
cannot
out.
go in this, please call the police and get them out of this building.
Do not bother me. If I want to conduct business here, I will, mother.
If you're going to conduct business,
If
they
I
don't
am,
want
I
you filming on the
can.
property, okay?
If I am, I can, mother. So shut
No,
up.
you can't.
You know I.
You can film, yeah.
Yes, and if I want to conduct business in this place here and ship or get shipping material, I can go in there and I can do it all.
They don't want you in
You
there.
are not going to tell me.
They don't want you in there.
Shut up.
Ship me. Hurry up. Ship me.
Not ship.
Car name?
Shut up.
No,
Shut up.
Car name.
I don't have a card.
Asmara incident.
No, you give
Asmara
card.
incident.
That is the policy here. You identify with card.
No.
Give it
I
here.
identify with my badge.
What is your badge?
Look.
That is
right there.
piece of
Focus.
That is only piece of
Number.
That is piece of stain on shirt. It does not mean to me.
What's your name?
That
Okay.
is shit badge.
What's your name?
Turn this way so I can get your name as well.
Pur? Is je harina pur?
Number 102.
This is awesome. Why you guys so mad at me?
pur.
Harke hem her.
Hasmarana pur.
Shandole hem her.
Hasmarana pur. Pur?
Yeah.
Hasmarana pur.
Harke.
That's my name.
Harke.
You understand what I'm
Harke hem
saying?
her. What is name here?
That's my name.
Poor. Or
Yeah.
poor guy.
Yeah.
Pur.
Or shit. Put over here. I must take picture.
Oh, you must take
He
picture.
does not want me to get close, so I take. Poor shit. Poor guy, my friend.
I do believe the Godfather, Johnny 5-0, invented this technique. Watch carefully. How you doing?
Hopefully, silent stuff will post. How long does it generally take to post?
Depends on where he's at.
Well, is he in like downtown Denver? He said.
I'm not sure yet. They haven't said.
Is downtown Denver? Is that usually
Are you guys
sooner?
recording over here?
Is that usually sooner than any of the other outside cities?
Denver's slower.
Denver's slower.
Slower than
Plus,
most
they
of
know everybody that's in Eric's crew, so
Yeah.
they generally.
Can we talk for a minute, guys?
So generally, was it usually take like 3-4 hours? I mean,
Yeah. A lot of times in Denver, it's 3 or 4 hours. I don't think he was in Denver though.
okay. As well, so.
You know, we need to do some footage over there at Kern headquarters anyway sometime.
I think we're going to be staying here next today.
Good day.
So,
Hi, guys.
I think Saturday.
You're not going to talk to me or anything?
I think Saturday is when next today. Are you
Here's
going to?
saying
Are you
that
going to?
Tino's purposely ignoring
Are
me.
you going to court on Friday?
Yes.
I still have to do that one
Gentlemen.
job for the computer stuff. We'll see.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Trying to have a conversation with you, and to be the correct, polite person would be to talk back to me.
It's going to be.
Yep, still here.
Probably.
You guys can please just say hello. Like I said, it's
But
a polite thing
how
to
far?
do.
How far is that from here?
Trying to talk to you, trying to just ask
20 minutes
what's
drive.
going on, how your day is, but you don't even want to answer any of my questions.
20 minutes to 25 minutes.
Gentlemen, how are
Can
you?
you please answer my questions and just say hello back? That's all I'm asking.
1705. Okay. So you guys told them what we were doing here is constitution protected and they can kick rocks? Okay, cool. Thanks for doing your job. Yeah, I don't care. No. Just stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. No directives. Shh. Be quiet. Be quiet. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Jesus Christ. Let me guess. You're saying buddy.
Yeah, go ahead. It's fine. You can take pictures. You're not afraid of a camera.
Say hi to YouTube because you're live.
Welcome to the 1A movement, man.
Okay. Well, you guys
So we got this guy who's using the F word around children, and he just was concerned with me recording children. Yet he's using the F word around children.
And he's got his camera on some kids in the back there.
I don't have camera on the kids. I'm actually
I don't
professional
have our
with
camera
it.
on the kids either. I never did.
Can you please leave, or I'll call the fucking police and have them get you out of here.
Look at all these kids around here, and he's saying effing and acting like this.
Because you're recording around children, and that's totally against everything on my belief. You know what?
Oh,
Get the fuck out of here! Go!
Chad, calm down, Chad.
There is,
Wow.
I guess we just had a mom. She just complained that you filmed her kid back there.
No.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, man?
You have your driver's license vehicle plate on you?
What's going on?
I'd be happy to tell you once I see who I'm talking to, all right?
I need you to let me know, like, what's going on, like, what happened?
Like I said, I'd be happy to tell you once I see information.
I'm not giving you my information until you tell me what you pulled me over for.
All right, sir. Failure to give me my information is an arrestable offense, okay? So you can either do this the easy way or the hard way, all right?
I need to know what you're pulling me over for.
I'm going to tell you once I see information, all right?
I got information, but I'm not giving you my information until you tell me what you're pulling me over for.
Here's the deal. Either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that? All right. Just gonna have poorly for you now. How about that?
I'm just saying, you gotta let me know what's going on.
All right, here's the deal.
For all I know, you could be trying to kill me right now.
You're absolutely ridiculous, all right?
I don't care.
All right,
Because
step out of the car.
It's been 2 minutes. I'm not stepping out the car until you tell me what's going on.
All right, open the door.
Hey, put this on camera. Put this on camera. You gotta let me know what's going on, man.
Quick side note, when they start to pull on the gloves, you're going to jail.
You're not going.
You're going to jail is what's going on.
For what? You ain't. What charges? On what charges? Wow.
All the new YouTube rules, I can't show you what happens here, but you know what happens here. Quick backstory. This is Kaufman County, Texas, and supposedly there's a KKK chapter here. There's lots of allegations of racism that never end up getting proven, and that's why I'm asking these questions. Hey, do you know which of the officers are racist and which ones aren't? Can you tell me which ones are racist? Do they not have a height requirement here? You're kind of short. They don't have a height requirement here? They don't have a height requirement here. Will you let me search your car for contraband? You know, you might have some burner guns or some drugs you might want to be planting on people. Can I search your car? Have you beat anybody up lately? Have you jumped on top of an 18-year-old today? Are you gonna do that? Have you ever jumped on top of an 18-year-old? Is that the proper way to restrain somebody? Do you know it's raining out? Oh my God, it smells like marijuana coming out of there. Keep your hands where I can see them, because you got guns and stuff, you know. Keep your hands where I can see them. What do you need all that firepower for? Are you gonna shoot some black people today? Is that what you're getting those for? Are you gonna shoot some black people today? Is that why you got all that firepower? Are you gonna shoot some black people today? Got a lot of weapons there, just for Kaufman. You must have a lot of black people here. How many black people live here? Do a lot of black people live here? Or just a few. How come they're so racist here? We're really close to Dallas. I don't understand that. Do they pay for the uniform or do you have to? Leave me a comment and tell me which one was your favorite.